Hi, hello friends, welcome to Fun Electronics. What we are going to see in this video is how to use ultrasonic sensor in Proteus. For that, first we have to add the ultrasonic library in the Proteus. For that, I have given the download link in the description. So click there and download it. When you click the download link, it will direct to the drive file. Here you can see it is the ultrasonic library file. So click here and download. When it's downloaded, go to downloads and then extract. Here you can see there is 3 files in this folder. We have to add these 2 files in the library in Proteus, and this X file is used to upload in the ultrasonic sensor in Proteus. So let's see. First of all, copy these 2 things. Open file location. As you can see, data. Here you can see the library file. Here you have to paste that 2 files. And reopen the Proteus file. Now let's create new project. Now we have to check the command list. Here you can see the ultrasonic sensor. So double click this one, and also we need Arduino board. So let's search Arduino. So the Arduino board. And also we need potentiometer to simulate the ultrasonic sensor. So use the potentiometer, and let's create the circuit and check how it's work. First place the Arduino Uno board and then ultrasonic sensor. So let's connect the sensor to the Arduino board. First I have to connect the pin to pin 7 and echo pin and then we have to use the ground. You can separately use the ground, and also you can connect the ground with the Arduino ground also. So let's connect it. And also 5 voltage we can connect separately, or with Arduino board we can connect. So let's connect separately. So rename it as plus 5 volt. And we need potentiometer, so select that one. This pin is connected to the test pin, and this to the high voltage, and this one to ground. Here also I used separate ground. So we need to observe the output from the terminal serial monitor. So we have to add the serial monitor here. For that we have to use the virtual terminal. So and place it. To observe the distance in the virtual terminal, we have to connect the TX pin in the Arduino to RX pin in the virtual terminal. Then circuit is completed. So let's code for this. This is the Arduino code for measuring the distance by using ultrasonic sensor. First, I have defined the trigger pin to 7, echo pin to 8 as I connect in the Proteus circuit, and then declaration of the variable. Here I have defined the duration as long and distance as int. Here we have to store the numbers. Here this is serial begin 9600. To observe the distance in the serial monitor, we have to set the bud rate as 9600. That's why we have to put this here, and then this trigger pin should be output and the echo pin should be input. And because of that, we have to send the trigger pulse from the trigger pins and get the reflection pulse from the echo pin. That's why we have to define output as trigger pin and input as echo pin. And here this is the pulse generation code. This is a square pulse. Here you can see low for 2 microsecond and high for 10 microsecond. This is like a square waveform. And here this is the distance calculation code. This duration is the round trip time. It means the time that the pulse go from the ultrasonic sensor and hit the object and return back to the ultrasonic sensor. So we need half of the duration to the calculation. Here we have used the equation as S equal ut. Here this duration is in microsecond and we need the half of the duration, so we divide the duration by 2, and this is the speed of time. This is in the centimeter per microsecond, so that's why it's come like 0.034. And then this is the serial pin code. Distance is equal to, and this is the variable name. So the distance is calculated, distance is then printed, and it should be in the centimeter. Then 500 millisecond delay for the next loop. So this is all about the coding for the ultrasonic sensor measurement. So let's save the file. You need to save the file in the same path. Save it. And wait for the code. Then export the hex file. So let's run the simulation. Before uploading the code to the Arduino Uno, we need to upload the default text file in the ultrasonic sensor. For that, you have to go where you have observe the library file. Here you can see the hex file to upload the ultrasonic sensor. So let's select the path. Here you have to select the ultrasonic library, and here you can see the ultrasonic sensor hex file and upload it. Click OK. Then you have to upload the Arduino code in the Arduino board, so that we have saved the code in the same path. So let's click that. Here this is the hex file of our coding. So that this one is the Arduino Uno. So let's run the simulation. It's print the serial monitor is printing the distance. So let's change the distance by using this potentiometer. Here you can see some changes in the distance. When we reduce the potentiometer value, continuously reducing the distance, and when we increase the potentiometer value, the distance is being increased. Here one of the important things is, in the physical ultrasonic sensor you cannot see this kind of setup, because in the simulation purpose in the Proteus we did not change the distance physically. So in the simulation we use the voltage change to map the distance change. That's why we have to use the potentiometer. In the physical ultrasonic sensor you don't have to add this kind of setup. You cannot see this kind of test pin in the physical ultrasonic sensor. That's all about this video, guys. If you like this video, click the like button. If you want more video like this, please subscribe my channel. And if you need to notify when I upload the new videos, click the bell button. Thank you, guys.